Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to create an online course website or a membership area using DropFunnels. So it's gonna take us like 5 minutes, and this, like, I absolutely love this software. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that we need is a product. The second thing that we need is a sales funnel, and the third thing is a membership. So I already created like a first product, but I'm going to show you as a test how to do that. So test, product price, this is going to be a free product, USD. Is this a membership product? We want to check this box, and we're gonna add test right there, okay? So we're gonna save the product. And the second thing, so we have our product already created right there. So it's that easy, and you can set up like a one-time payment. So if it's like an online course or ebook or anything that you want, and this is actually a paid product, then you can set up the price right there. So let's say it's $97. And it's $97 every month. So you can set up one-time payment, recurring payments, and you can even give like a 14-day trial if it's a software or anything. Like basically you can do anything that you desire right there. So I'm gonna check free product and update. Now, the second thing that we need is a sales funnel. So what I'm going to do is create a new funnel, and I'm going to call this funnel test and create this funnel. And after, I'm going to show you my membership, the membership that I've created for me personally, and how you can get access to it. So all we need is an opt-in page and a thank you page. And it's basically, let's go with opt-in and thank you page. All right, so right there we have a simple two steps funnel. I'm not going to do like a lot of design on there. I'm just going to use the pre-built rows, lead generation, and I'm going to choose, let's see, just a simple one, this one. And so what I'm going to do will make it look great anyways, full width, and I want the full height like this. Save. And so I want to remove this, and to even if it's a free product, we need to use the checkout form, okay? And you can customize this checkout form to say that this product is going to be our test product, and the message that appeared is because I didn't connected my Stripe account with the funnel, but I'm going to show you how to do that right now, right after that. So, and right there I can display the fields that I want to show on there. So I just want the first name and the email address. I don't want the phone number, and I don't want to show the product details either. So that's looking good, and buy my test product now. All right, so we're gonna save this and publish, and so right there we have our page, and this will be the registration for the membership. And when someone registers for this membership that we need to create right after, they're gonna have access to a thank you page right there. And so for this thank you page, I'm gonna do exactly the same, just a simple row, pre-built. Let's go with call to action, and let's choose this one. And the same, I'm gonna put this in full height, and so instead of what's in there, I'm gonna add another receipt, And so here I'm gonna say thank you for purchasing test, and basically they will have the information right there. We don't need the button, and I'm going to save. Okay, so right now we have our product, we have our funnel, and the third thing that we need is to just create a membership. And so let's go to membership, create a new membership. We'll call it test as well. Create this membership. And right there we need to add a module. So module 1 will be test. Okay? And we can add a new lesson, which we'll call test. All right. And so right there we have the entire funnel, and we can see the members that have joined, the name of the membership. We can put a header and a footer that is going to display in each and every module and each and every lesson. And we need to select the product that is specified to this membership. So this is our test product. And when you check this box, it's gonna force people to complete module 1, then to have access to module 2 basically. So they need to follow the steps step by step. So let's update this thing. And the login page, it's basically this page where people can log in to your membership. And the lesson template, it's gonna be the entire structure of your website. So let's say welcome to test, and basically you can do whatever you want right there. You can add new modules. Let's say we want to add a new picture. Let's select and hello, and you can like put your affiliate links right there if you want. You can like basically you can customize this, and it's going to put the exact same template for each and every one of your pages. And so the benefit of using DropFunnels with your online course, it's because it's built on the WordPress platform. And so it's gonna build for you a super secure membership, and so you will never have to worry about people stealing your content. So people that are not your members stealing your content. And this has been previous problems that I had in my business using things like ClickFunnels or anything. It's super annoying, but the benefits of using DropFunnels, it's because it's built on the WordPress platform, it's super secure, and nobody can steal your stuff, okay? And basically we have our funnel. So all we have to do right now is to opt in to this funnel, and oh no, so we're gonna receive an email, gmail.com checkout, and so we are redirected to this thank you page. And here you might want to say you can get access to the membership in your email, and you are going to receive an email just like this one. So membership, boom, and all you have to do is to basically connect to this membership. Let's see. All right. And all you have to do is basically to connect to this membership and to see right there that we are logged in and we have full access to our membership area. And so you can log out and you can log in, and basically all you have to do right now is just to create even more modules. So let's add a new module, lesson 2. And I'm going to show you right now the membership area that I've personally built to show you like how you can customize everything, okay? So lesson 2, let's say lesson 12 anyways. And so when I refresh this membership. So you can see you have module 1, lesson 2, and the new lesson that I've added right there. Okay, and right now I have my own membership that I've created, and so looks like this. So I really like made a great design, and like it's really to show you like the possibilities that you have with DropFunnels to create really something powerful and beautiful at the same time. Okay, and so there you have like your entire like online course in one, and you can customize it for anything, like anything you desire. You can add like really good looking buttons like this, and customize pretty much anything that you want. So guys, if you have any question, as usual, drop them down below in the comment. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button to be notified every time that I release a new video. That helps me put out more content just like this and help you guys out. So that being said, that's it for today. I wish you an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace!